Hello everybody, welcome back. As you will have seen from the title of this video, I have a new release from Hunkydory to share with you. So without further ado, let's jump into my design team package and I'll show you what's inside. So before we really get into it, I have a couple of additionals here. So I have some red tape because mine had run out, and I have some card blanks. So then let's have a look at what I've got to play with. So these are going to be from the pocket pad, and let's go through and have a look. So we've got the cutest look at that panda, oh my goodness, love the squirrel there, the little hamster, the kitten, so cute. So I have like 3 of those. My mum would have absolutely loved that tiger. Classic little piglet. I love the little bear, how cute, look at the detail on that bear, and the mouse. Oh my word, I'm not really a mouse person due to previous unfortunate experience, but that one's cute. Then, oh my goodness, would you look at the puppy? Oh my word, I love the little Highland cow. Oh my word, would you look? The bunny, these are so cute. Look at that elephant. Oh my word. Even a goldfish. Super, super cute. Okay, then we have some more large toppers. I've got a cute little pony. I love the rhinoceros. Look at that. And the baby meerkat. I do love meerkats. So cute. Okay, what else do we have? Okay, we have a fawn, we have a baby zebra, we have a baby guinea pig, we have a baby raccoon. Very, very cute. Oh my word, look! Just look, I love him. That is the cutest. Look at that face. Oh, I love it. And the elephant as well. Look at the detail though. If I get really close, look at all that detailing. My word. That's incredible. We've got a little baby fox. Again, look at the details on that. And the baby bunny. Super cute. I've got 2 of those. Oh my goodness, look. Got a gorgeous giraffe. The donkey. Owl, and a budgie, maybe. Okay, what else? Oh my goodness, would you look, that chick is just Easter personified. Look at that hedgehog. Oh my, look at the llama. No, actually it could be an alpaca. I think that's an alpaca. Either way, so cute. Got the rhino again. Oh my word. This is going to be so much fun. Okay, fab. We've got sentiments. Do love a good sentiment sheet. And all I do normally is just back it onto cardstock just to give it a little bit extra strength. So I have 3 of those. And yes, an ephemera sheet. Again, love these. I cut them out, I bound them on cardstock, and I am well away. Oh, I love it. Look at those. Aren't they fantastic? So I've got 3 of those as well. Okay, so that is, what do they call it? That, I'm sure that's the little pocket pad. Okay, next up I have what looks like the cardstock that goes with it. The matching patterned cardstock. So we have like the blue, it's almost like bubbles. Sorry, the light's gone a bit funny. Like you can see the polka dots. It's really pretty. The light's not helping me. It's actually fairly pale, but it's looking darker because of the dodgy lighting. So I have a few of those. And I have the leaves. Okay, and I have a gingham, yellow gingham, And I have floral yellow. Again, these are pale. This is pale. The dodgy light, I don't know what's going on. The sun's right in my eyes. There's nothing I can do about it, unfortunately, but these are really pretty. We have a more regal one. We have a very manly, I would say, check. Like, my dad had shirts like that. I like that because it reminds me of my dad, but that would be good for male makes, I think. We have, now that kind of could look like a map. It could also look like texturized stone. And we have a fabulous tree trunk. Apologies for the rubbish lighting. Honestly, there's nothing I can do. I don't know what's going on. Then with the collection, you do get coordinating adorable scorable. Just find where it ends. Okay. So we have the black. We have the grey, like the mint colour, brown. That's really nice. I like that orange. Beautiful pale pink. It's like a baby pink, a baby blue, the green, really nice blue, although my camera's making it look purple, it is blue, honestly. Like the cream, and then that's really nice as well. And now I get onto the bit that everyone always loves, the toppers. So, as with all Hunkydory toppers, they all have names. So this one is Country Cuties. Oh my goodness, look, we've got that Highland cow that I was obsessing over earlier. Got the alpaca. We've got Born to Stand Out, First Birthday Wishes on your christening day, and congratulations. We do have some edger strips. So I have 2 of those. Then we have Farmyard Fun. And we have all the animals from the farm. Aren't they gorgeous? These are all edged in gold foil. So we have especially for you, here's to new beginnings, springtime wishes, and have a lovely day. And again, we have the border strips. Look at that baby goat. Oh my word. Then we have On Safari. Oh my goodness, look, I love these. So cute. So we have With Love on Your Baby Shower, Have a Rawsome Day, Happy Birthday to You, and Small But Mighty. And then these are our border strips again. Oh, these are just so cute. Then we have Wonderfully Wild. We have the elephant, the panda, the rhinoceros, and the zebra. We have Welcome to the World, For Someone Very Cute, Have a Wild Day, and you've got this. More border strips. I do love a good border strip. We have Cute Companions. Then we have the budgerigar, the little kitty, the goldfish, and the mouse. And we have You're So Tweet, Best of Luck to You, You're Fantastic, Have a Nice Day, and the border strips. Then we have Perfect Pets. We've got that gorgeous retriever puppy, the bunny, the hamster, the guinea pig. And we have a Whiffy Day, Somebody Loves You, Get Well Soon, and Birthday Wishes. And border strips. Then we have Forest Friends. And we have all the animals from the forest. This time we have smaller sentiments. We have Thank You Dear, Birthday Boy, For a Special Friend, and Birthday Girl. We do have our border strips. And the last one is Woodland Wildlife, where we have the owl, the badger, the hedgehog, and the raccoon. And then we have Another Year Wiser, Thinking of You, Many Happy Returns, and Hedgehogs. Isn't that lovely? So that is the newest release from Hunkydory. Please do let me know what you think in the comment section below. I will leave Hunkydory linked in the description box of this video. It isn't an affiliate link, it is purely to be helpful. I am on the design team and they do send me this for free because I have to create samples for the launches, and I will be leaving those samples at the end of the video for you to see as well. So do watch to the end so you can see what I come up with. But I've been buying Hunkydory for longer than I can remember. I will continue to buy Hunkydory long into the future, and yeah, I just love their products. So I leave them linked just to be helpful. They have a members hub, and if you're a member you are entitled to 5% off the entire site. And once a quarter you'll be eligible for the members free gift, and then you only pay postage, which is pretty darn good. You can sign up to be a diamond member, which is a paid for service, but then you get 20% off across the site. So it's up to you, or you can just go and shop and not sign up to anything and then you pay full price. But you know, either way you're onto a winner. So thank you so much for watching today. I really hope you have enjoyed my video. If you're not already subscribed, please do hit the big subscribe button. It helps my videos reach more people, it helps my channel grow, and I just want to spread lovely products, inspiration, and create a nice community. If you have enjoyed today's video, please do leave it a big thumbs up, and I will be back soon with more videos. So until next time, thank you once again for watching, take really good care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.